Hello. Today I had an induction program with MITCON. It was an amazing experience. There are almost 100 plus students. The program was on design thinking. I found the students very interactive. We have done many exercises and few videos were shown, and I could find the energy level of the students are very high, and they could interact and they have asked me questions, and it was really a session with a lot of energy and good vibes that I could get from the students. I hope we could make a strong impact to the students through this kind of a program, and thanks to MITCON for arranging this kind of initiative and this kind of an induction program where they call various experts from different domain and from different industry. I think this is a platform where before the students launch into their MBA curriculum, they get maximum advantage from diverse people from a diverse background, and I think this is something that actually the students are looking for. And once they are embarked with this kind of a program, their mind opens, and when actually they go for their MBA classes, they are much more receptive, and it makes a lot of dent in the way they are able to understand the subject and also even design their life. And I hope the students are going to make a great career in being with MITCON. Thank you.